Jai Bhagwan, Women Warriors. This morning I wanted to demonstrate a very simple pranayama exercise known as Kapalabhati. And Kapalabhati translates to mean skull polishing breath. It is a heating breath. And contraindications would be menstrual cycle, pregnancy, or any kind of abdominal obstruction or surgery, recent surgeries. If you had an abdominal surgery many years ago, you'll be fine. So it's a very simple exercise. We take a deep inhale at the top, and on the exhale, we snap the belly and force the air out of the nose. The inhale comes automatically and the lips stay sealed. So it looks something like this. As I snap the belly back, you exhale out of the nose and the inhale will come automatically, so you don't need to open your mouth to breathe. And the technique is usually done for 60 rounds, and if you are doing it over a time period, you can do 60 rounds and then pause, 60 rounds and then pause. So we'll do one round together. You can lick the lips and swallow. Inhale through the nose and snap. Release, deep inhale through the nose and sigh it out. And then you can continue with 60 more rounds. I hope that was helpful for you, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Jai Bhagwan.